Good to see you here. Thanks for having your car professionally washed. If you purchased your car wash at the pump, touch the code button to interrupt. When you purchased your car wash, you received
55273.
Thank you for purchasing a car wash.
Okay, here we go, everyone. Cameraman is ready. And we took our Suburban here and it did a good job.
Yep.
We took our Chevy Volt here and it was too small.
Now we're gonna take the Dodge.
Yeah.
See how good
Mom
it is.
thinks this car wash broke the Chevy Suburban. Did it?
It didn't break it.
It didn't? Okay.
Keep going. Stop.
Ooh, that's a scary noise.
It's just a buzzer.
Okay. Now, YouTubers, this is when you roll down your windows and turn the radio up.
No.
All right. YouTubers, I'm filming as well. Okay, looks like it's coming around for a second pass.
Yep.
Now what's this one called? The pre-soak? You can see all over the
Tri-foam.
windows. Tri-foam?
This system's a Ryko Softgloss Maxx.
This is a Ryko Softgloss.
Yep.
We chose the best one, the $10 one. What's that one called?
The works.
And YouTubers, as you can see, we got a code that expires on the 15th. Also, if you save 4 receipts, you get your 5th car wash for free.
Yep.
Appears to be doing a good job. Make sure to fold your windows in. And take your radio antenna down if you have one. Now I will roll my cameraman's window down.
Don't.
Just kidding, YouTubers. This is a very serious moment now. Here comes the top brush. Let's get a view of it. Okay. I'm live streaming. Alright, here it comes. This is the best car wash ever!
Yeah.
Okay. See it going back there? Good. Everyone can see. Okay, I guess we're all done. We can put it in drive now. Just kidding. What's next, cameraman?
Brushes. Again? Yep.
Okay. Boy, they massage that paint, keep that paint shining.
Yep. It was stuck on this side the last time.
Up with the bolt?
Yep. It was stuck on this side.
The bolt broke it. Or it broke the bolt.
Yep.
My cameraman's friend said this is the best car wash he's ever been to.
Yep.
He goes here every week, he said. And he's got a Mazda Miata.
Yeah.
which is even smaller than a Volt. So this is not a bogus car wash.
No.
This is a very special car wash. No
Yeah.
bogus here.
But one time it's bogus.
Oh.
And on the boat.
Yes. It was bogus then?
Yep.
So mommy was right when she called it bogus.
It's not bogus on this.
Okay.
The brushes are washing.
Okay, what's next?
It's gonna rinse.
And we checked the weather. It's not going to rain today in any of the areas that we'll be going to, so we're good.
Yep. It's gonna.
There's no chance of rain today. We checked all cities involved. We just can't name the cities because we don't give our location out on YouTube. When do the dryers come?
It's rinsing.
Okay, they're not bogus dryers, are they?
They're not bogus.
Okay.
They're amazing dryers.
Now, when it broke the Volt, it wasn't funny then.
I know.
But now, that's what we always say. It's not funny when it happens, Jeff. Is that our funny? Yep, no names. As you can see, we have the radio off. Okay, here's the big finale. The moment we've all been waiting for. These are dryers now, right?
Yep.
But why is that thing spinning water on us? If it's trying
It's
to
not even gonna spin water. It's just spinning to let it blow it thing off the top brush.
Oh, it helps the air.
Yep.
I get it.
It never comes down
Okay.
when it's spinning
I think I understand
in
it
the
now.
dryer. Because when an onboard dryer starts up, the top brush spins.
Okay, I get it a lot more now. You've made it much more clear. Is it good? Does it dry again? Does it do a second pass?
Yep.
Okay, because right now it looks like we got caught in the rain. But this is not bogus.
No.
I want to look like someone dried us. Took towels and just dried the whole thing with a chamois or whatever you call it.
Those are called Ryko onboard dryers.
Onboard dryers.
They're
okay.
doing real great.
If I roll the window down, can it dry my hair?
No.
They're powerful. Look at the windshield wipers. They were fluttering for a moment.
From the dryer.
Yeah. I've got a wet windshield. I don't like that.
Well, it's not very wet.
Okay. Okay, tell your YouTubers what you like to tell them at the end.
Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy, YouTubers. This was a Ryko Softgloss Maxx at Exxon 7-Eleven. Bye.
Okay, let me hit stop recording.